We're here today in Nashville, Tennessee for the Southern Adoornments live show. It's an event for women who are crafters and painters to come together and be with women that they can connect with on a personal level and just learn to craft. And many of them are building businesses themselves and they want to figure out how to grow that business. And a lot of that is talking to other women that have a similar interest in a similar business and kind of, sharing tips and tricks and ideas and networking with each other. And so we just wanted to put this together so that these women wouldn't be at home alone and doing this alone. We wanted to create this community of women that could support one another and finally meet in person, because we've all spoken online before, but we've never actually met in person. And so that's what today was all about. We wanted to grow our community together and let them meet each other. These women watch me online every day, and so they feel like they know me. The minute they tell me their name, I recognize their name because they engage with me at home by commenting on my videos and my posts. And so I feel like I know them when I make a connection to their name. And it is about so much more than the craft. I tried to convey that before I sold the tickets, because they don't understand until they're here that it's about the connection you make with other women, telling your story, telling what it means to you to watch these videos and to do something that you're not comfortable with. Like a lot of these women for the first time today painted their very first door hanger, and they'd never done that before. And so it was getting out of your comfort zone and trying something new. And a lot of times people will discover something that they truly enjoy. Painting is therapeutic, and it helps you deal with things that you're going through, like depression or loss of a loved one or empty nest syndrome. A lot of the women that came this year can't wait to come back next year. I think if I had sold tickets today, they would have instantly bought them again for next year, because they wanted it to last longer. So if you're on the fence about joining and coming with us, I told a lot of them, if you've never been to an event like this and you're scared to come alone, make a connection with someone before you come. Find out who else is coming. Ask where they're from and find something that you have in common with that person so that you don't come alone. When you come, you're meeting up with a friend. If you want to be a part of this community and you want to learn to paint door hangers and you are on the fence about whether or not you're right for this, because I had someone ask me today, what if I'm a beginner and I don't know how to paint door hangers, or I've never painted a door hanger before and I don't have those skills yet? We take you from beginner to advanced, and we have something for everyone. We have those beginner videos and we have those advanced videos. So we can help you no matter which stage you're at.